eyes on my slicing. Hello, my name is Jessica Penner. I'm a registered dietitian with the Manitoba Crop Alliance. Today, I'm going to show you how to make peach sunflower seed salad rolls. Let's get started. We have a few steps today. We're going to start with our sauce. Lucky for us, we get to use delicious sunflower seeds. They add a really nice nutty flavor to the dish, but not only that, they are jam-packed with vitamins. They contain nearly every single vitamin, plus several key minerals, including iron, copper, zinc, and selenium. We'll go right in the blender. Water, canola oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, 1 clove of garlic, a bit of honey for a touch of sweetness. And this is the flavor seasoning from a package of instant ramen noodles. Adds a wonderful umami flavor. And just turn the blender on, start it on low. Depending on your blender, you might end up with a super smooth sauce, or it might be a little chunky. Just like peanut butter, both are delicious. Next, we're going to take a few minutes, and please do take a few minutes to make these quick pickled cucumbers. You could skip it and simply use sliced cucumbers, but I really love the tanginess that these add to the salad rolls. So we'll start by making our brine. We have water, vinegar, a bit of sugar, and salt. So just stir that together until the salt and the sugar dissolve. And we're going to thinly slice our cucumbers. We're going to do it on the diagonal, and you do want to try and get it nice and thin. You take all your lovely sliced cucumbers, place them in the bowl, and allow that to sit for about 5 minutes for the cucumbers to absorb. Now onto my favorite part, actually rolling these salad rolls. So here we have our rice paper. You can see it's hard right now. We need to soften it. I have some cool water, and we're gonna only soften it to the count of 3, right? 1, 2, 3. You might be doubting whether it's soft enough. Trust me, it is. It will continue to soften. We have some peaches here. These are canned peaches that I've sliced thinly. If you happen to have a few peaches, fresh peaches kicking around at home, you're certainly welcome to use those. Quick pickled cucumbers. I do recommend sticking to this order of ingredients. They are going to pile much nicer and be easier to stack and roll. And here we have those ramen noodles. I simply cooked these according to the package instructions and then drained and rinsed them with cool water so that we're not adding hot noodles to our fresh, cool ingredients here. Now we have our lovely sunflower seeds. They add some crunch and protein. This is a plant-powered dish, and I love how the sunflower seeds are a great source of protein and minerals, so they stand in really well as a meat substitute. We have the red cabbage that, again, I've sliced really thinly. Lastly, add in a few leaves of mint. If you don't happen to have fresh mint available to you, you can skip this. Now for rolling, if you haven't done this before, I will say it does take practice, but don't lose heart. You will get better with time. So you'll start with the side closest to you and then fold it up and over your ingredients and trying to hold it together there. You take one side and as tight as you can, fold it over. Take the other side. You might need to push the ingredients back in a little bit and fold that tightly. and then gently fold away from you, roll away from you. Look how beautiful and colorful that is. If you're going to be enjoying these within an hour, you can simply cover them with a wet tea towel. If it will be longer than that, I would recommend wrapping each one individually with plastic wrap and placing in the fridge. These actually stay fresh for about 2 days in the fridge. If when you take them out, the paper has dried out a little bit, all you need to do is spritz it with a little bit of water to soften it back up again. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please share about it on your favorite social media channel. You can find the recipe below.